welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie. Sorry the sun is a little bit in my face, but it's a beautiful day and Gabe wanted to play outside, so I figured might as well get some work done, right? So today we are going to be making a bundt cake, a carrot bundt cake. It's delicious, it's easy, very like spring, summer vibes. So I'm excited to share it with you. Yeah, I think you're gonna love it. I love it. As you know, I have a peanut allergy, nut allergy in general, so I never use any nuts in here. But if you wanted to make like a glaze and add some nuts to the top, that would be phenomenal. But obviously we are gonna skip that part. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now, and just make sure that you give us a big thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Okay, bye guys.